Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Kicks cabin air filter. First, let's find its location. The cabin air filter is conveniently situated on the passenger side, specifically in the footwell area. You'll need to remove a black plastic trim panel to gain access. Start by gently pulling from the bottom or side to release the clips holding it in place. This step is straightforward and requires no special tools, just a careful hand. Once the trim panel is off, you'll see a white plastic cover, which is the housing for your cabin air filter. There's usually a clip or two that you'll need to unlock to open this cover. After unlatching it, gently swing the cover aside. Now, you can see the old filter. Carefully grasp it and pull it straight out of its slot. Be prepared for it to be quite dirty, as it traps many particles. Before inserting your new filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrows printed on its side. For the Nissan Kicks, these arrows should typically point towards the rear of the vehicle or away from the front of the car. You might need to slightly bend or compress the filter to fit it into the narrow opening. Once it's in, ensure it sits flat and is fully seated within the housing, covering the entire opening. With the new filter securely in place, reattach the white plastic housing cover, ensuring it clips firmly shut. Then, align the black plastic trim panel and push it back into position until all the clips snap. Replacing your cabin air filter is a simple maintenance task that significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality, reducing allergens and odors. Aim to replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.